trying to cook me some taquitos, man. Put it in the yeah, man. We gotta make some food. Yeah. Shit. Man, I put it on overload and the fucking microwave ain't opening, dog. I accidentally let the fuck in there too. Oh shit, what the fuck we gonna do? Man, I'm trying to pry the bitch open, but it ain't opening. God damn it, man. I keep fucking up on us. Man, what else we got in there, man? We got a baby in there. It's fine alive. God damn it, bro. Where the fuck a baby even come from? I don't know. What you gotta say, man?
Oh no, our food's burning. We need to figure something out. What's gonna be turning brown?
Yeah,
That'd be disgusting. I don't feel like eating all that. That's gross.
man, we gotta soak that shit in ranch.
I don't feel like that.
We ain't trying to have all that.
Throw that away, but that's your food, not mine. Don't buy it.
Oh man, we should've used the oven for this shit. Fuck. How the hell's that happening into our microwave, bro? Shit's fucked up. The hell, man? We just trying to cook some taquitos.
Taquitos!
Damn, man. I think our microwave about to explode or some shit. Man, we better get out. Yeah. We better get up out of here, man, before our microwave explodes.